So with this Hustler 360, I'm not sure what year it is. Let's look at the VIN. Wow, this thing is 11 years old. I thought it was, trying to get this, let me see, I can't, yeah. Taking a picture of that too. I figured this thing was just a year or two old. So actually, for 11 years, not too bad. But the bearings are out. If I can show you. This belt here is completely off the pulley. That pulley over there is wobbly too. This one's nice and firm. Let me show you. I know it's a different angle. Hopefully YouTube won't change or my camera won't change the angle. You can see this is out, and there's a bearing right there that came out of that, a ball bearing that came out of this bearing assembly. So it's totally out of the hub. And I'll have to take out that whole thing, the knuckle, I guess. I'm not really sure what it's called. Maybe it's just called a hub assembly, but it's gonna be a pain in the butt. I hope that this little tool here, I love it. I use 1/2 inch. I don't even own the 3/8 or the 1/4 inch. I have a 1/4 inch extended version of this, but this is the impact. Not good for installing bolts, but it'll take out most anything. Works great. So I'm going to take that center hub out, that center hub or pulley out, and it looks like somebody's already put washers on there to change the elevation on it. But customer says somebody came by and put this new belt on there. But I don't know why they didn't suggest to change out the bearings. Maybe they weren't that bad then, or they just didn't know not to. But anyways, I'm gonna pull that one and hope to change that other one as well. It's loose, it's gonna go bad soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.